Welcome to LingoLite. Let's make English simple and fun.
Hey, can you take a photo of us?
Oh, sure.
Thank you.
One more, please.
No problem.
Thank you.
Bro, do you know any words besides thank you? If not, try these instead. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot is used in everyday situations when you want to politely thank someone for small or normal help in daily life.
Thanks a million.
Thanks a million is used when you're really, really thankful to someone. For example, if a friend helps you a lot with studying for an exam, you can say, thanks a million. I couldn't have done it without you.
I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it is used when you truly want to show sincere gratitude, like when a friend helps you a lot, you can say, I really appreciate it, thank you.
Much appreciated.
Much appreciated is a polite and simple way to say thank you when someone helps you. For example, if a friend helps you with something, you can say, much appreciated, to show your gratitude.
You're a lifesaver.
You're a lifesaver is used when someone really helps you in an important or difficult situation. For example, if a friend helps you finish your work just before the deadline, you can say, you're a lifesaver. Thank you so much.
Next time, skip just saying thank you and use these better phrases. Start using better phrases in your daily English.
So, which one will you use? Comment below. Save this and follow for more tips. Bye for now, see you next time.